Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful Wix tutorial, how to add a text box to your Wix website. Whether you're promoting a special offer, highlighting a new event, or simply want your message to stand out on your site, knowing how to add and edit text boxes gives you a ton of creative control. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently adding custom text boxes to your site with the style and messaging you want, so let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Wix website design. So go ahead and open up the Wix editor for your site. This is the workspace where all the magic happens. It's kind of like your creative canvas. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the editor's layout. The left sidebar is where you'll find most of the design elements you'll need. Now look for the tab labeled Elements on that sidebar. Clicking on Elements opens up a menu where you can find all sorts of things to add to your site: images, buttons, shapes, and yes, different text options. Think of the Elements panel as your toolbox. Whenever you want to add something new, this is where you start. Next, let's focus on adding text. Click on Text. You'll see a variety of text options like titles, paragraphs, and fancy decorative styles. Wix gives you several styles to choose from, so you can pick one that matches the vibe of your page, maybe a bold heading for an announcement or a smaller note for details. Take a second to browse these choices. Sometimes it helps to preview a couple before deciding. When you find a style you like, simply click on it and it will automatically appear on your page. Don't worry if it pops up in an unexpected place, you can easily move it later. Once your text box is on the page, you'll want to personalize it. Right-click on the box and select Edit Text. This opens a simple editor right within the text box, letting you type in your message. For this example, let's say you want to promote a sale that's available on Saturday. Type in "Sale available on Saturday." Just like that, your announcement is front and center, ready to catch your visitors' attention. Now comes the fun part, making it look exactly how you want. You can resize the text box by clicking and dragging its corners, which is great for making sure your message fits the space or stands out properly. If the default font doesn't match your site's personality, you can easily change it. Choose something playful for a kid's shop, something elegant for a fashion boutique, or just stick with something simple and clean for general use. Same goes for the font color. Maybe you want something bright to grab attention or a color that matches your brand palette. Take your time experimenting here. If things don't look perfect right away, that's totally normal. The editor makes it easy to undo, redo, or try a few adjustments until you're happy. And that's really all there is to it. Adding a text box in Wix is quick, but it unlocks a ton of flexibility for your design and messaging. From headlines to callouts, this skill is one that you'll use all the time. Thanks for joining me. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button, and feel free to drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing what you're working on. And if you want more easy-to-follow website tips, don't forget to subscribe for future tutorials. See you in the next one.